Turi kuganiraho n'abankazirwana haba borekera obuhinzi mutima bagumize ngo government yakozere cyangwa kubishika okukirana munonga habwe yibo bakozire okugireta mu bwebembezi.
The sons of historicals and the historicals, they are dying when they have only these letters that were given to them. We have not benefited because Muzee, yes, Muzee was given 1.5 million and myself and my mother. But as I talk now, Muzee is sick. He has prostate cancer. My mother, you have seen her going there. He has now pressure. So we need also the state to come in to help.
Nisaba government tekanize kusigikira kutwina abana ekikuru abana betabisibwa aite emyaka yite maze kwao kandi nahati government yagine nisaba government etorole etongere okutwa akasimu
nafuna koko ensimbi akasima murundi gumu na akasente kali kaje wano bali bagambye tujja kufuna $5,000,000 nafuna ko $1,000,000 n'ekitundu ensimbi bwe twabuliriza nibagante ensimbi zizeeyo zijja kudda muzifune ne kutuusa kati emyaka ntuusiza 8 ngenda kufa sizifunange.
Wekijanjaro Lawrence omutura w'ekyaro kya Kinyate Central omugomboro ya Busaru nagira ngo mu rutaro rubarwanire kureta government mu bwebembezi akaferwa motoka y'ekika kya Tatarore hamwe n'amato na engine zago ebyabire nakoresa kushoha hamwaro ntoroko
singa bande ntoroko nubuna guye ngo ba sibonde bugya banankana abamu 7 atina jina ruga ntoroko dubinanje twabugabugana na Mr. Mukwaya mu meeting obu tutwakuli meeting ya magenda mawo atwe barwes ate barwes musubike sikwabera n'omugaso ati kitidatu ingi barwege tinka tonga account wa kunkwata mukonambo
oguwako mu makaje okarebenje hari kurara mune isenako ahako kugira ngo eri hihi kumugwera hamutwe
kikambesi abunako no kusomesya abana kundemi nende tere na camp nende tere na camp ate nubu nkutaka na government nanje enjisu
bari hansi y'ikibina cyabe cyabondo buje district Bush War Veterans nibenda government yaruje yabahereza kasimo kabo otiroho no kutungira abana babe mirimo
requesting the government, especially the NRM government, to expedite the payment of their kasimo, because most of our veterans are now aged, are old, and their numbers, their years to live are now numbered.
Abana bakuwo buri murimo na ituba twijukage nga abantu abatandikire hano bakayijaho bakakwataho byo kwezi 27 kwezi kwa 5 rukumurwenda 85 bakwata bundi buryo bakwatire toro bakwasire kasese
gashoka Julian Singwiri.